7/13/2020. You heard me. You heard me. Your Dow shot straight up to 26,339 in this weekly chart, and it gave it every dime of it back. Every last stitch of it. It hit the 50-week moving average, that green line, and sold right down. Now, listen, everybody. The Dow is in a much better position than the NASDAQ 100 and the NASDAQ comp that I shorted the tops today. And I told everybody that they were going down. And I told it, it's right here on the channel, pal. Yeah, I will short shop at the highs. You heard me. Shop dropped down up at 1075 to 935. I shorted Amazon. It dropped 300 points off of the high. Shorted Tesla. Shorted all of them. They were overbought. And you were told they were going to come down. And you probably didn't listen. But you know what? Over the next 45-day period, you're going to get taken to the woodshed, every last one of you. Oh, yeah, you are. And not only that, the algorithms, the Federal Reserve, every 10 minutes you got a headline about a virus. Stock markets got bid up using machines again, just like in 1999. I was there. I've been doing this for 35 years. I'm not new to it. And once again, if you don't think so, you don't think so. I shorted every last one of them. Every last one is red and dropped big, super big from the overbought levels. And if you bought the put options in the market, you would be up several 100% today. And you know what? Bull markets, as you've been told by me, not just one time, but for our trader base around the world and everybody close to me, the market maker. Listen, it's always going to be the same event. The Dow is much better. I'm just talking a little bit about what they did with these other markets. And I can tell you that you have not seen nothing yet. And as I put out a warning, we made a lot of money for all the red that you've seen that turned into green dollars. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, it did. Not only that, as people were writing them down and buying the highs and writing them down, then we were getting paid. And we told you how overbought we were. But the Dow Jones has yet, it sold 600 and some points, 650 points off of the high. High was 26,639. The low, 26044.2. And this is what happens. But it's a much better index for a bull case scenario if it gets above that 50-week moving average, because this index did not reach an overbought level on the weekly on the Dow Jones. There's only 30 stocks in it, and some of them are affected by a lot of different things. But this particular index in the Dow 30, it is not overbought. Not even close. And we're not saying that it is. We're just saying it dropped 663 points off of the high. And what that really means is people were selling into it. That's exactly what it means. But once again, all it did was it ran right into that 50-week moving average there, that green line. And you can see the wick, which is a sell tail right there. So Dow Jones, once again, out of all of the indexes, this is the one that never reached an extreme overbought level whatsoever, because it hasn't. And we tell the math the way it is. And when that mathematical will happen, not after the fact, before the fact. After the fact doesn't make you money. Get that through your head. Dow Jones, big reversal, great looking weekly chart still, and pulling back. This index never ever did hit overbought, but it sold down.